Wait, Walmart has good camping gear now? You gotta see this stuff. Today I'm looking at new gear from Swiss Tech. Super excited to share this with you. I got my hands on a set of these tools, so grab some popcorn and let's make some stuff. Now, all joking aside, there's some great camping gear at Walmart. We know that. Tents, sleeping bags, cookware, everything you need to go camping, you can get at Walmart. And you know what? If you're going infrequently or you're just getting started, there's some great budget options for camping gear at Walmart. There's a lot of people out there that would say they don't trust Walmart gear for longevity. But from what I'm seeing from Swiss Tech, I disagree. There is some really, really great gear coming out of Walmart that is just next level. So let's dive in and take a look at these tools together. This is the coolest hatchet I have seen in a very long time. This is the new Swiss Tech Bushcraft hatchet. And it's got a couple tricks up its sleeve which are really fun. This has an anodized aluminum body and a stainless steel hatchet head, so it's corrosion resistant. It's got a tool on the back here called a mattock, and that's used for digging, which is really nice. If you're trying to get some stones out or you're trying to expose some roots of a tree to hack away at, then this is the tool that you want to use. This can also be used to dig like a cat hole. You know what a cat hole is, right? What I really like about this hatchet is the silicone handle. It has got a very, very positive grip to the handle. It's not gonna fly out of your hands. I really, really like this. It's got a little paracord lanyard around it so that you can slip it around your wrist. Give the people around you a little peace of mind while you're working. This thing takes on de-limbing trees and clearing brush without any issue whatsoever. It's really a very capable tool. It's just heavy enough to be useful, but not so heavy that you won't want to take it with you on like a backpacking trip in the wintertime. The sheath is really nice too. Super easy to put back on. It's made perfectly. It's got a little loop here so you can attach it to a pack or you can wear it on your belt. So check out the Bushcraft hatchet by Swiss Tech. This is the Craftig Bushcraft survival knife by Swiss Tech. This thing is awesome and beefy. It has nearly a 1/4 inch thick blade, D2 steel. This has the tactile coating on the blade, which is good for corrosion resistance. The spine has good jimping for your thumb. This is a full tang knife. It runs the entire length of the handle. And it has an extended tang actually, so you can use that as a hammer if you want to. It's got a really cool feature here. It's a bow drill divot in case you had to start a fire with a bow drill. You already have your top plate right there. This knife has micarta scales with G10 accents, which is really nice looking. As I said before, it is a D2 steel blade. This was designed as a survival knife, a bushcraft knife, and a camp knife, kind of all rolled into one style, and I absolutely love it. It's got really, really great ergonomics. Feels awesome in the hand. It is beefy, it is heavy. You know you can do some serious work with this knife. The sheath is a fiberglass reinforced nylon material, and it is really nicely designed. The clip is excellent, and it rotates, so you can carry it vertically or horizontally for a scout carry, which is kind of fun. I love the engagement that it has when it goes in, and they give you a nice like perch here for your thumb so you can extract the blade easier. You can baton with this knife without any fear of breaking it, which is really cool. Let's talk about the saw. This weighs less than a pound. It is a 14-inch bow saw. So what you do is you just open it up like this, grab the blade, pivots around, and then you disengage the handle lock right down here, and there's a little tab that sticks out. You just pivot the handle lock down, and it hooks right into this little tang. And then you just lock it back up like that. And now you have a 14-inch bow saw that can handle logs this diameter before it hits the top. So you can cut through quite a bit, or if you're like cutting through and rotating it, you can get a much bigger log in there if you want to. So yeah, this is a very, very cool design. It's very lightweight. I would backpack with this. I am so happy because I've been using small, like folding pocket saws for a while now, for like years, and they just cannot handle larger diameter trees and logs during the winter. So for shoulder seasons and for even like the dead of winter, if you want to like fuel a little wood stove in your tent, a hot stove or something like that, this thing will rip through some firewood. Okay, this next one is really exciting. This is the Lodern Fire Kit. It comes with a really awesome little knife. This is the exact knife. It's got a very rounded point. It's got a little bit of serration on the blade, which is kind of cool for cutting through rope, paracord, twine. And it's got a nice finger choil right here, so you can get a super positive grip on it, along with the jimping that runs all the way down the blade. Very unique design right there. Now this is flammable cord, so you got a little tinder built right into the handle of the knife, which is kind of cool. This is AUS 8, so this is a stainless steel blade. It won't rust on you. It is like powder coated, so it's got some extra corrosion resistance built into it, which is nice. And it looks like it's got micarta handles, so all in all, really cool design. Now moving on to what's inside the pouch. There's some goodies in here. This is a very cool, like waxed, it looks like almost like waxed canvas material that this pouch is made out of. And inside you've got a whole bevy of tools, a cornucopia of fire making fun. So to start off with, we've got a magnesium match. This is a metal match. This is a magnesium block with a ferrocerium rod built right into it, so you can shave off some of the magnesium into a pile and then use the ferro rod to ignite it. Or if you want an option for ignition, you've got this really cool sparker right here. This is a really cool flint wheel sparker. So you can use this to ignite your tinder or your magnesium from your metal match. Really fun little tool. It's very lightweight because it's made of aluminum. We also have this, which is a pocket bellows. Kind of fun. So this thing telescopes, and you can blow into this end while you're getting your fire started and get more oxygen to promote the flame's growth. Kind of fun to have this in your arsenal to play around with. Good for starting fires. Pocket bellows. They also, in here, give you a little bit of tinder. This is like emergency tinder. This looks like it's waxed cotton, so that you just throw a couple sparks into this and it will go up in flames and burn for a little while, so you can get your tinder going. And they give you this little tinder scraper right here, so you can use this on some dry wood and it will create some really fine shavings that are really awesome for using the flint wheel sparker on to get a fire started. This is just made of plastic and a little bit of stainless steel, so it's very, very lightweight. This whole thing weighs less than a pound, and it's just a really fun little fire kit and an excellent knife to go along with it. So this is the Lodern kit by Swiss Tech. Definitely check this out. I've got the knife clipped onto the pouch right now, but you can use this knife clipped onto your belt as well. So a very nicely designed sheath with a good wide belt clip. So if you've got a wider belt, you can clip this on there really easily, or your backpack. Nice little knife. I really dig the design. So Walmart does have some really cool camping gear now. These tools are really well made, they're gonna last a long time, and they're fun to use. So I'm really excited about the future of Walmart's camping lineup to see what else comes out from Swiss Tech and other brands in the future. Well, I hope you found that useful, or at least entertaining. Let me know in the comments below if you have some Swiss Tech gear that you love. I'll see you later.